How to use tags to organize contacts in Instantly.ai. Using tags to organize contact in Instantly.ai is simple but powerful way to keep your lead list clean and outreach highly targeted. Tags act like labels you can assign to contacts based on the criteria such as industry, rule, company source, or engagement level. To add a tag, just open your lead list, select the contact you want, and apply a custom tag like Tech CEOs, open but no reply, or webinar leads. Once tagged, you can easily filter, segment, or launch new campaigns to that specific group without digging through the entire database. This makes follow-ups more efficient and ensure your messaging feels like relevant to each audience. Plus, combining tags with other filters like lead status gives you even more precision. For example, targeting only marketing manager who clicked a link but didn't reply. By consistently tagging your contact, you'll start organize, avoid waste outreach, and keep your Instantly.ai campaign laser focused. So that's it.